Just received this package in the mail from eBay. Let's open it up. Okay, cool. There it is. 3 West Point quarters. Let's see if I can find the end of this tape. I'll just cut it. Tape off of there. So what do we got? We got 2019 West Point River of No Return. Didn't have that one. A Lowell 2019 West Point. I already have one of those. A San Antonio Missions 2019 West Point. Bam. Ordered these. I believe I got them for, I want to say like 30 bucks. And considering they're like 15 each, that's not bad. And these two I needed for my collection. So, yep. Also got a unplasticized coin slips or coin flips for when I send some coins in for grading. All right. That's it.